SAP FI. Anyone tell me what is the purpose of SAP FI? Anyone have any idea? So why SAP FI?
External reporting.
Only external reporting.
Means
Okay, external reporting in the sense?
balance sheet, financial account.
Financial statements. Financial statements are nothing but?
Balance sheet, trading account, profit and loss.
Balance sheet and profit and loss account or trading account, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See, SAP FI main purpose is
to record day-to-day transactions.
correct. SAP main purpose is, this is the end result. SAP main purpose is external reporting. The external reporting means external reporting in the sense profit and loss account and balance sheet. Right? So who are the external users? Who are the external users? The main purpose of SAP FI is to get the financial statements. So every business end product is financial statement, right? So if I started business, end of the year I want to know what is my profit and what is there any loss and what is my assets status, like asset value, and how many liabilities are there, how many debts are there. These are all things you need to check up, right? So financial health is very important. For the company, we need to check the financial health. So finally, what is ultimate gain? That is very important. Now the question is, so who are the external users? Who are the external users? Mahesh Kumar, keep your video off. Who are the external users? Tell me. Who are the external users? So why this reporting is required? And who will see this report? Tell me, who will see this report? So external users are creditors, shareholders, lenders, okay, public, tax authorities. These are all external users. And shareholders will invest money into the company based upon the company's financial health. Financial status is okay, then they will invest money, right? So creditors will provide raw materials based upon the credit status of the company. So how they are paying regularly or not, and they will also check up the company status. And so what is the status? How many assets are there? Liabilities? Whether this company is good or bad. So they will check. These are all external users. This is completely external reporting. Everyone can see the financial statements. Everyone can see the financial statements. Shareholders, creditors, lenders, public, tax authorities. Hence, it is external, not internal. So in India, financial statements are including profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow statements also. Okay, cash flow statements here means cash inflows and cash outflows. So how much cash coming to the company already come, and how much cash gone to the outside. That is also important. Cash inflow and outflow reports. Cash flow statements, inflow and outflow. Right now you understand that SAP FICO is for only external reporting, not internal. So everyone can see the reports, financial status and everything we can see. So if you pay some amount to the company's registrar, then you can see the company financial statements. Even sometimes what happens, the company financial statements will be published in the newspapers also. If the company is going to be wind up or one company is merging with another company, that things also we can see the company status and reports, etc. That should be published publicly, right? Now the another point is, this is the purpose of SAP FI. Now the second point is, what is CO? SAP CO. Tell me, what is SAP CO? Anyone? What is the main purpose of SAP CO?
Internal reporting, sir.
Okay. Okay.
It can be only viewed by business only.
Okay.
Where they can cut down some kind of cost cutting or something. Everything will be, we can see everything in CO, sir.
Anyone? What is the external? What is the CO? Why CO is required? SAP CO. What is the purpose of CO? Tell me.
How to control the
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
organization, like financial wise.
Okay. SAP CO is a controlling, right? Financial or SAP FI focus on finance. CO is controlling. What we need to control? So we need to control the cost. The company always focus on how to reduce the cost. We need to control the cost. What is meant by cost? What is meant by cost? Tell me. Cost is nothing but expenditure. How much expenditure incurred? Okay, how much expenditure is incurred? Incurred. So SAP CO main focus is internal reporting. So Mallet Dayanath, please keep your audio. SAP CO main focus is internal reporting. Okay, so internal reporting means how to reduce the cost. How to reduce the cost of the company. So how to increase the profits. How to reduce the cost? If you are reducing one side cost, then profit will rise, right? How to reduce the cost? How to increase the profits? How to eliminate unnecessary cost? How to eliminate unnecessary cost to the company? How to eliminate unnecessary cost to the company? It's a completely internal decision making. So the main focus of SAP CO is internal reporting. Internal reporting in the sense internal reports. Internal report only a cost. So please keep your audio mute. So how to reduce the cost and how to increase the profits. Okay. So check your network. Check your network. Okay. How to eliminate unnecessary cost? How to increase the profits? So this is completely internal reporting. Only management and employees will be there for internal reporting. So you should not reveal the cost related for material, how much expenditure is happened, or labor, what is the cost, for overheads, what is the cost. These are all things should not be revealed to any other person. So this is for internal reporting. So if you are making one product, so can you say all the details like for material cost, how much is happened, for labor, so where you are bringing the labor and where you are buying the material, these are all things cannot be disclosed to any other person. Okay, it's a completely internal. Okay, so some companies will copy the others products details also. It's completely confidential. Cost report is a very confidential. It should not reveal to anyone. So by based upon this cost, so other companies also, if you reveal this expenditure where you are purchasing materials and who is our labors and all, so the other people will produce better product than you, and they will give you more user friendly. Sorry, they will give you better product comparing to yours. Okay, so that's the reason you should not be revealed to any other persons. So it's a CO is also called as a management reporting. See, SAP CO controlling is a management report. SAP CO is a management reporting. Okay. Management reporting. Only management employees will be there for providing this report. SAP CO main focus on. So any CO, like any company will focus mainly on actuals versus budgets. Actual versus budget, and management will check the variance. See, what is budget and what is actuals? Anyone tell me?
Actual expenditure incurred for preparation of for production administration.
What is budget?
Budget is forecasting, estimation.
Yeah, it's an estimation, right? For material, how much budget we need to put this year. For labor, how much cost we need to plan. Okay. For overheads, for sales, so like everything. So every company will work based upon the budget only. Okay. So you need to plan. Okay, you need to plan the budgets for sales budget, for expenditure budget, for overheads budget, for material budget, for labor budget. So we need to plan for expenditure budget also. That is very vital. Without planning, nothing will happen, right? So if you are setting any company, so you need to plan how much rent is happening for every month. Okay, for making the material, and so labor, what is the labor cost in the outside? So what is the plan for that? And how many materials are required for this year? And what is the cost for making that material? So everything should be based upon the plan. So that always okay. So please check your network. So management is very important. Copy, same copy are there? Brother. So SAP CO is mainly focused on internal reporting. See, we need to make a plan for all our expenditures. Like for material, how much cost for for manufacturing company, you should take manufacturing company. So manufacturing company will make a plan for materials. They will make a plan for how much material cost for this year will be happen. Okay, and you know for how much quantity is required. These are all things should be considered. These are all things should be considered. Okay, so quantity planning and price planning, both are required. For labor cost. So labor cost, it depends upon the hourly basis, right? For how many hours labor will work, based on that we will pay. So, and some skilled workers will be there and some unskilled workers will be there. For skilled workers, we need to, the pay will be different. For unskilled worker, the pay will be different, right? So we need to plan overheads, indirect cost. So these are all planning. Without planning, so company cannot go, right? So budget is just like a planning, and actual means, let's say let's say I plan for material this year is 20 lakhs only for material. Okay, therefore there is always there is some disturbance is coming from your side. Okay, I'm very sorry. I will speak out because of you, the 20%. Okay, so actual means what really happened. Like you plan for material 20 lakhs. You plan for material 20 lakhs, but really how much you purchased this year? So you purchased up to 25 lakhs, but you planned for 20 lakhs. 5 lakhs is extra you purchased, and that extra, why that extra is coming? Because of that the material cost is increased. That's the reason. So the material cost is suddenly increased due to COVID. But you planned only for 100 quantity, so you planned that so 20 lakhs, but you also purchased 100 quantity, but this time it was extended. That means 5 lakhs is increased. So you are in unfavorable position. So the financial status is different, controlling is different. The controlling means we can control our cost, then company will run successfully. If you are not able to control your cost, the company will not go ahead. Okay, so your expenditure increasing one side, then your profit will be decreased automatically. That's the reason the main purpose of SAP CO is for internal reporting. So how to reduce the cost and how to increase the profits and how to eliminate unnecessary cost, and we can also find out so product cost also. Product cost, and also we can trace out selling price per unit. Finally, we can arrive selling price per unit. So without controlling the cost, so we cannot get the profits. So every company will focus on internal reporting. Why? Because the cost is very much important. This is the major thing that we can control. That's the reason you can see cost and management accountants will be recruited for every companies nowadays. So there is a provision also coming. Cost and management persons will be joined into companies for internal reporting, internal audits. So they will check cost related aspects. How much materials incurred, quantities are there, what is the stock, and what is the value for that. Each and everything they will check. So why? Because this cost reporting is very much important and vital for every company. Without this, we cannot move ahead. We cannot sustain in the market. So that's the reason management needs costing report, and management needs cost sheet report. Cost sheet means, so by using this cost sheet segregation of the cost, like material, how much cost was incurred, for labor, how much cost was incurred, for expenses, how much, for overheads, how much cost was there. So all the costs should be segregated. For administration cost, what is the cost? What is the total cost? So these are all costs should be segregated. For that point of view, cost sheet is required. Okay, that is the main purpose of SAP CO. The main purpose of SAP FI is external reporting. External reporting means FI reporting. So like, the profit and loss account and balance sheet and cash flow statements. In SAP FI, we have submodules. In SAP FI, we have submodules. What are the submodules we have? In SAP FI, we have submodules. What are the submodules? Tell me. I will show you directly in the system. So you will see this is a SAP screen. So can you see my screen? Anyone please confirm?
Yes, yes, we can see.
Yes.
See, once you go to the system, okay, go to the status. Okay, you will see product version details. Okay, so this S4HANA product details. Like this is a HANA database, and you go to the products. So you just go to install products. So here, so Fury for S4HANA and so on-premise 2020 version. Okay, so if anyone asks you which kind of version you are using right now, so you can also check like this. Okay, so you want to check SAP FI submodules and CO submodules. So here you just go to accounting, you just go to financial accounting. So here you will see general ledger, accounts receivables, accounts payables, banks, fixed assets, special purpose ledger. These are the submodules of SAP FI. Okay, so apart from the travel management is also there. So here in controlling management, so these are the SAP CO submodules. So cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal orders, activity based costing, product costing, product cost controlling, profitability analysis, profit center accounting. These are the submodules of SAP CO. Okay, this is a SAP FI submodules and this is SAP CO submodules. After the end of the session, so we will share you the server details. Okay, so if you have already server, then please ignore. If you don't have any server, you want to purchase a server, then so we will share you the details in the chat box. You can get the server access immediate basis, and going forward we will work on server only. Okay, so right now we are discussing only theoretical aspects, and so we will take a new batch, like new link from Monday onwards. So we will, you can see if you want to continue these training sessions, please join in the chat box. We already shared one link. So you want to continue these sessions. That means you want to start your journey with me in SAP, particularly for the next 60 days. So please join this conversation in chat box. We already shared the details, and please double click on this join conversation, and you please join. If you once you join, that means so you can continue the sessions without any interruption. So this link will be expired after after Sunday and Monday onwards. This link will be expired, and every class should be go on in this new link only. So this new link is already shared in the chat box. Once you double click on this new link, so you can join on immediate basis. Okay. Course fees, details, and everything has been given in the chat box. You can get it. Right? Any confusions or anything? So please connect Sheikh Babji sir. He is available for you. So number is also there. You can get in touch with him. So any kind of issues, okay, any kind of personal, private, anything issues, any subject related, So if I'm going fast or slow or any other things, if you have personal problems at all, then you can discuss these things with Sheikh Babji sir, I cannot access your chart details separately. Okay, so in class, so if you have any questions or anything, you can directly ask in class only. Okay, so if you are getting any issue or any problem, then you put in the chat box. If it is a chat box, you just write this area you are getting troubling or any facing issue or anything, you can put in chat box. If you have personal problem, so please connect us, Sheikh Babji sir, and personal things will not be discussed in the chat box, and only like sessions related errors, queries or anything will be discussed in the chat. Okay, and going forward, so everything will be on chart only. So Skype chart. Let's say if you are facing error, so you can send that screenshot in the chat box. So other people get an opportunity to work with that error. So here, so our duty, you are the functional consultant, you are the FI consultant, you are the CO consultant, you may be FI CO consultant, right? So going forward, you may be IT consultant. You are also called as a software consultant. Okay, you are software engineers. So even you don't have knowledge on coding, Java, Python, C++. Also, you will be treated as a functional consultant in SAP. Okay, once you opt this course and once you join into any organization, so you will be treated as a IT guy, and the same salary the person who are taking from the like core Java or Python, so what they are getting, the same you will get it, no doubt at all. So there is much scope